Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a Palm Angels unboxing with you all. If you're a seasoned subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Carla and on this channel I share videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. If you enjoy these kinds of videos, then please subscribe down below. Okay, so let's start with the word of the day. The word of the day for today is ambitious. If you want something, be ambitious, put the work in, and go and get what you want. It will take work. There may be times where you just want to give up, but I promise you, don't. Look and search for that light at the end of the tunnel. Sometimes what you find out about yourself during the journey is so amazing that it makes it that much more worth it. So be ambitious, put that work in, and go out and do what you want to do. So if you watched my last Palm Angels unboxing, or if you're new and have not seen this, then I will be unboxing a Palm Angels handbag in my last unboxing. If you want to check it out, I will have it right here. I unboxed my black Palm Angels bag, and during that video I kind of mentioned about budgeting and ways that I'm able to afford these kinds of handbags, because I was asked that by a few people in the past. So I did mention that I may share a little bit of tips during this unboxing. So I'm not gonna describe as much during this unboxing. You'll probably just, if you care to see the unboxing, then you can just pay attention to me actually unboxing the item. And if you care to just listen to just my little bit of tips here and there to how I'm able to purchase items, then just continue watching. So this is the piece right here, and like I said, I'll go ahead unboxing. I did get this from Hypebeast, so hbx.com, which kind of goes into how I'm able to afford these pieces. So I happened to just Google this item because, like I said, I picked one up already, so I wanted a fun color. So I Googled it, saw that this website had it. But a tip that I always use is I check Ebates. So any store that I run into, any store, which currently not as many stores have cash back, but this store did, and I believe it was 3%, which to me always makes me feel like I'm getting 3% back. Even though you do get 3% back, it kind of goes into like this Ebates or Rakuten, I think it's how you say it, I could be wrong, Rakuten. It kind of puts it in this box for me, not box, it kind of puts it in this like bank for me, and then it'll send it, I think, every 3 months. I should probably start unboxing, right? It will send it every 3 months. So that's another way that I can get money back. I mean, at this point, I think I've been using it for 3 years, if I'm not mistaken, and I've already received over $2,000, which helps, and it just gives me money to just purchase more items. Some people will disagree and say, why are you purchasing so many items? It's a cycle, right? So in order for an economy or business to thrive, it needs a customer, it needs consumers. So you have people like me who enjoy purchasing stuff, so it just kind of keeps the economy going and going and going. So that's just one of my tips, and all of these things I literally learned on my own through just practicing, because I come from a family that I don't want to say anything negative per se, but it's just speaking your truth pretty much. So this is from HBX, like I said, which is Hypebeast. So I come from a family that likes to spend, but it's to the point where sometimes it's okay, are you realizing that you're overspending? Are your bills getting paid? Which I mentioned in my last video. It's kind of budgeting. It's making sure all your bills are paid, and then if you have extra apart from saving, which I'm going to touch on, if you have extra money, then you can go ahead and spend it. But I don't I was never taught that at the end of the day, whether my family just spent to spend or whatever. I don't really know, because I don't really know. You know, when you're young, you think you know things, but it's your perspective as a child. So I won't really say, you know, my family didn't know how or whatever. I just was not taught that. This is not something I was taught. This is something I learned along the way. So something else that I learned that I feel helps me when it comes to being able to afford these handbags, it's having multiple bank accounts if you can. So this is how the box looks. It says, please enjoy your purchase. Not sure if you can see that. And I love the interior of this. And this is just the wrapping right here, which I'll get to. It's having multiple bank accounts. So if you want to have a bank account just for bills, which I do have. I have an account just for bills. I have an account just for savings. And then I have an account for spending and vacations. So what I'll do is I'll take my check and I have it a certain percentage of my check taken out for my bills, a certain percent taken out for savings, shopping, and vacationing. And if I don't spend, let's say I go to my savings account, if I don't spend that money, then it just stays there, but it's money that I could spend. So let's say for example, a $3,000 bag comes up, but I have more than that in my spending account, then I can spend it if I really want to. But if you want to take some of your money from your spending account and put it into your savings, then of course you can. That's just something that I have found helpful. It just helps me to not use the different accounts. And with these different accounts, I have them at different banks with different bank cards. So when I have my card for spending, I know it's my spending account because it's a different bank with a different card. So that just makes it easier. I hope that was easy to understand. But yeah, so this is the bag that I picked up. It's right here, and as you can already see, because there's no hiding this piece, it's a yellow handbag, which I love yellow, and I hope it shows because I don't know, I decided to go bright today. I'm into color. I found myself getting into color more. I kind of went neutral, and then I just felt like neutral was too much, so now I'm into color. So hopefully this shows with my bright fluorescent green, neon green top. So this is the handbag right here. If you remember with my last unboxing, remember to keep this because these Palm Angels bag right here has an unlock, which I want to discuss something with you because I realized it after the fact with my other unboxing. I wish I kind of realized it when I unboxed it to kind of share with you, but I got this one now and I'll share it with you. So yes, back to budgeting. First thing, make sure your bills are all paid. All of it is paid, and then you can go spending. If you don't use my third tip, which was just having different accounts, just make sure all of your bills are paid and then you can spend money. Or if you find it easier, just have different accounts and then have a spending account. And then the second tip that I shared was using, you know, those kind of website which gives you cash back. I find that that's so helpful because when they send you the cash back, they send you checks. Then that's just extra money for you to spend. It's not something you were looking forward to. It's just extra money. It's extra money for you to spend if that's something you would want to do. Okay. So another tip that I have is get a credit card that gives you cash back. So I honestly just learned this about maybe 2 years ago, which is insane because it's been happening for so long, but I felt like I was so stuck in my ways that I didn't want to hear anything about opening another credit card. So I was losing out on money. So literally in the last 2 years, because my credit card gave me a $500 bonus, I get 1.5 cash back on every single 1.5% cash back on every single order that I place. I mean, guys, I've received over $1,000 in the last 2 years, which to me is okay. I opened another credit card. I had a credit card already. I opened another credit card and I just found myself spending the money there. So let me put you onto a little tip. That's actually my spending account. my credit card is actually my spending account per se. Like, so I have an account linked to my credit card, so whenever I spend on my credit card, I immediately pay it. So pretty much I have money to spend, I make money off of the money I have to spend, and I get to purchase my items. So get a credit card that gives you cash back, guys. So I'm just reading this right now to kind of see how to unlock this. It does come with the instructions right here. So let's see if we can unlock this. You put your code right here, and then you pull just like that, and it opens up. So right in here is the strap. So yes, like I said, guys, get you a credit card. I'm sorry if you came on this video to watch an unboxing and now this turned into a whole lesson, but I just wanted to share a little bit of tips. But now that I've mentioned that, let's just really focus on this. So this is the strap that comes with the bag. I'm going to take it out. And this actually just hooks right on here. So we hook it right here, if it will let me hook. So we hook it right on here, and on this strap, like I said, it just says Palm Angels right here, and it's just a fun piece. I love the black touch to the yellow, and then right on here it just says Palm Angels, and this is like a plastic piece. What I wanted to share that I did not share in my last unboxing is you want to be careful when you're closing this. So as you just seen, this comes right off. So just be very careful to click it in. And also, if it's not clicked in, for example, this is not clicked in right now. See how that's open? This will not close. Like, I struggled so much with this, and I just wish I knew. I was pretty much losing my mind. I'm like, okay, this is broken, I'm gonna have to return it, when all I had to do was make sure, like I said, see, make sure it's locked, because when it's locked in, it's actually the piece that's gonna keep it closed. So I had to make sure that it was actually in order to make sure that the bag was closed. I just wanted to share that with you guys. But yes, that is it with this unboxing. Like I said, I apologize if this turned into a whole talking session. I know some people do not like to watch unboxings where someone's talking. I swear if I could probably just take this out the box and show it and make it a 1-minute video, it would have been perfect for some. But I just wanted to share those quick budgeting tips on how I purchase my handbags. I hope you apply it. I hope you found this video helpful. I hope you enjoyed this bag or this unboxing as much as I did. I actually enjoyed unboxing and actually sharing some valuable information with you guys. So yes, if you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumb. Hold on, Papa. Hi, Papa. Hold on. Yeah, give me 1 second, okay? See you in the next video.